Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you're trying to update your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18 and it's stuck preparing update. In this video, I will show you how you can easily fix this problem and how you can install iOS 18 update on your iPhone or iPad device without any problem. So now let's get started how you can install iOS 18 update without any problem and how you can fix this type of problem if you're having this type of issue on your iPhone or iPad device. So first of all, here you'll need to open setting on your iPhone or iPad device. Then the first thing you'll have to make sure that you're using strong internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, then here you'll have disconnect with Wi-Fi and reconnect it again. And if you're using mobile phone data, then here you'll have turn off your data and turn it on again. Then after that, again open setting. Then here you'll have to scroll down, then tap on general. Then here you'll need to tap on iPhone storage, and here make sure that your iPhone device has enough storage. Here you'll have review your photos, videos and other documents, and here you'll have delete some unnecessary data to get more storage in your iPhone device. And here you'll have review all your apps which you have installed in your iPhone device, and here you'll have to uninstall some unnecessary apps from your iPhone device. And here you'll need to also offload apps from your iPhone device by tapping on the offload to avail more storage in your iPhone device. So after that, again open setting. Then here you'll have to scroll down. Then here you need to tap on screen time. Here is screen time, you'll need to tap on this. Then here scroll down, then tap on content and privacy restrictions. Then here you'll have to turn this toggle off from here. Then after go back again, and here you'll have to again open setting. Then here you'll have to scroll down. Then here you'll have to tap on again general. Then scroll down, and here make sure that your iPhone date and time is correct and the set automatically is turned on from here. Then close this tab. After that, here you'll have to force restart iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button, then volume down, then press the power button until Apple logo appears. So after that, here you'll have to open Safari browser on your iPhone device, and here make sure that Apple system status is working properly. If there is any problem, then here you'll have to wait until to fix it. Then after that, again open setting on your iPhone device. So here you need to open setting on your iPhone device. Then scroll down. Then here you need to again tap on general. Then scroll down. Then here you'll have to scroll down all the way. Then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on reset. Then tap on reset network settings. After that, here you need to enter your iPhone passcode. Then after that, try to install iOS 18 in your iPhone device. So after that, in this way you can easily fix this problem, and after that you will be able to install iOS 18 update in your iPhone device without any problem. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.